uzuke bakwethu ngicela ukuthi lento ningayenzi eindaweni zabantu ikakhulukazi nizosithatha kancane. Angazi nginibone niya ko Phoenix ko Chasworth ko Manzimtoti ko Bluff ko Umbilo lapho abantu bekufika bekhona nabo beqashisiwe amandiya nabelungu abanama property abanezinto kodwa niyasaba ukuya kubona lapha sihlala sonke ndawonye sifuna ukuyihluphekisa thina ngoba leli qembu ade lilapha lihambe lithena lizobuya lizoshisa ake lihambe liye ko Chasworth ko Phoenix kalibona ukuthi amandiya ahlomile akadlali kanjalo akafuni ukuthatheka kancane amandiya ngiyawazi so ke nathi abantu abazodlalela emagcekeni ethu kuma premises ethu sinelungelo lokuthi sibabulale ngoba bazohlokotha impi bazokwenza noma makhona into errong abayisolayo makuthi kudayisa ama drugs noma izinto ezingalungile ababikele inhlaka zamaphoyisa akekho umuntu onelungelo lokuthi ayithathele umthetho ngezandla zakhe. Ngiyabonga. Ngiyanicela ke ngiyanxusa bakwethu ke niye nako Chasworth nako Phoenix eMandiyeni ke niyobakhipha khona labantu bokufika uma niyigora ngempela nisebenza nenza into eright ngoba umsebenzi wamaphoyisa lapho yabona abantu enibahluphekishayo yabona abantu abahluphekisayo manje nezingane nilokhuzana inqwaba enibahluphekishayo abantu abenza ama delivery lapha abantu abasebenzisana nalabantu kona kuyakulungiswa lokho ukuthi bangahlali sonke isikhathi. Siyabonga madoda.
Phosa ngithemba uyasibona isimo la ngaphandle ukuthi sibi kanjani. Uwe wedwa umuntu onamandla okunqanda leso simo. Laba abawu3 laba bayibona sebemoshile la ezweni abanawo amandla andlula wakho. Wena mawungaphakamisa sakho isihlangu sibeke phansi ukhulume nje unqande leso simo ngicabanga ukuthi kuzozwakala. Bawu3 labantu sebemoshe kakhulu la ngaphandle sebedale nenzondo enkulu kakhulu. Abantu sebezondana ngenxa yabantu abawu3 amadoda awu2 nomfazi oyi1. Engisaba nokubashwa amagama abo phela ngavuka kusasa ngingaphefumuli. Ngiyacela mina ngicelela laba abantu bokufika kuleli baba Cyril Ramaphosa ngibacelela isikhathi. Laba abantu sebenezindlu lana banezimoto lana abanye banemfuyo abanye bese bathenga amakhaya lemakhaya banemfuyo banenkomo banamafariki banamadonki bana everything abantu lana ngoba bekade sekusekhaya lana akekho umuntu oye wacabanga ukuthi isimo sizotshentsha fast njengamanje. Lesikhathi elisinikeza abantu 30 June loyo umnqamula juqulo ka 30 June isikhathi esifishane kakhulu. Bazohamba abanye bazosala ukuya ekhaya kuhanjwa ngemali. Cela linikeza abantu isikhathi abantu bakwazi ukuqoqa into zabo bathengise lokho abakuthengisayo badayisa ama-business wabo ama-shares wabo izindlu zabo imfuyo zabo abantu badayise bahambe makubo. Ngicela nenzeni ubuntu ninikeze abantu isikhathi bayenze kanjalo abantu. Kubhlungu mangabe usuxoshwa immediate effect ezweni elingeyilona lakho ushiya lokho okade usukusebenzele wasuka ekhaya lakini ususwa inhlupheko suphila kangcono lana suyaxoshwa futhi njalo lokho obukusebenzela kuyasala emuva. Ibhlungu lento ibhlungu kakhulu. Ngicela nenzeni ubuntu baba Cyril Ramaphosa nikeza abantu isikhathi noma ngabe u6 months noma ngabe u1 year abantu baqoqa into zabo bahambe. Ngiyacela ngiyabacelela okunye futhi ubheke la ngaphandle ukuthi abantu bahlupheke kanjani. Bahluphekile abantu bokufika kuleli abanye sebalala ngisho ngaphandle omama bakhulelwe ingane zilala ngaphandle esikolweni esibhedlela emakliniki kunzima nje impilo sinzima nje kakhulu. Inzondo yani le South Africa inzondo yani. Cyril Ramaphosa isikhathi manje sokuthi uphakamise sakho isicathulo ukhulume ke manje unqande leso simo esesisibi kakhulu. Isimo leso siyalimosha ilizwe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Angibonge.
Kale ngibuka ama statistics unemployment rate kade eveziwe lapha ku Newsroom Africa kuthiwa between ngicabanga ukuthi kulezi nyanga nangazi noma between April and which month kutshengiswa kukhonjiswa i-unemployment rate indlela e-increase ngayo kuthiwa abantu abalahlekelwe imisebenzi there are approximately 340,000 abantu abalahlekelwe imisebenzi. Ukhumbule kahle ke ukuthi mawungahle understand kahle nje ukuthi babathole kanjani laba bantu ukuthi naba abantu abalahlekelwe umsebenzi inani labo uzo understanda kangcono ukuthi lento isho ukuthi labo abantu abadocumented othola ukuthi bathola ama-payslip abathola ama-payslip futhi ababanjelwe i-UIF ngoba vele ukubanjelwa i-UIF kukufaka kwi-system ka-government kukufaka kwi-census ka-government ngoba i-UIF i-insurance ka-government vele mawukuthi ubanjelwa yona lezo imadlana o-14 rand vele u-government uyakhona ukubaleka ukuthi nangumuntu even isho usuyeke emsebenzi usuphelele umsebenzi bese uyoclaima vele data yabo bayi-collecta kanjalo yabantu abaqashiwe. What about laba bantu abangatholi ama-payslip abangabanjelwe i-UIF? Ngizokutshela mina ukuthi le number le u-340,000 incane kakhulu. Baningi abantu abaphelelwe imisebenzi. Baningi abantu abaphelelwe imisebenzi, abantu othola ukuthi uyisebenzele eChina Mall, iChina Mall akakhiphi i-UIF lo muntu lo. Akabanjelwa mali ya-UIF. Kusho ukuthi lokho that person cannot appear kwi-system ka-government. Kwi-census noma kuma-states e-system ka-government, that person will never appear. Osebenza eChina Mall, osebenza emaSulmaneni, emaSulmaneni, oh my friend, akaveli lo muntu nakho njani. Basebenza ey'ndaweni ey'ningi nje ungahle uyibale ngisho emobeni what emaplazini ey'ndawo ey'ningi abantu abalahlekelwe imisebenzi abaveli kulo 340,000 muncane ekubeni u-340,000 mukhulu ubala abantu mawubala abantu mkhulu kabi lo 340,000 mawubala abantu. Remember ukuthi umuntu eyedwa nje esebenza bangakanani abantu akabasizayo umuntu oyedwa ongeyona ingane ngoba esebenza nje usemdala sekunama responsibilities empilo amele lo muntu lo ungathola ukuthi unezingane noma ngathi akanazi ingane uhlale ekhaya elithile la khona kumele contribute to a certain people ekumele ashintshe impilo zabo noma enze isimo sekhaya sibe ngconywana. Mase uyabuka ke ucabanga ukuthi ingakanani i-damage eyenziwe ngabanye abantu bengeza uku-accounta ndawo. Njengamanje 340,000 people captured by government. Ubayeke labo othola ukuthi is times 5 the number. Ubayeke laba bangekho captured. Ake sikhulume ngalo 340,000. Mungakanani umonakalo, imagine wena nje uwedwa uphelelwa umsebenzi uthi kwenzakalani. Ngoba leyo nto i-affect izingane zakho, i-affect umndeni wakho, ikufake ngisho ikolotoni, kube khona izinto ongeke usakwazi ukuyikhokhela ama-cover insurance, kukhanseleke yonke into uphelelwe umsebenzi. Ingakanani umonakalo owenzakalayo ngalento le. Ngisho kwi-economy amabhizinisi ngemali oyitholayo okumele uyibuyisele uyifake kumabhizinisi ey'ndaweni ey'thile, leyo nto leyo iyastopha because unqanyukelwe umsebenzi. Abantu abaningi ke banenhlahla yokuba lawless kwale account, banenhlahla kakhulu. Mina nje ukube I was a part of leadership noma ngiwu-president, for sure laba bantu all the leaders yalezi zinto lakho March and March yonke lezi zinto lezi kade zisuka zibhikishela zenza imbhikisho la khona bevala amabhizinisi indawo zamabhizinisi ngabe sekuyisikhathi ke laba account akhona ngabe sekuyisona isikhathi ke laba account akhona ukuthi after this nayi data kusukela niqala lentweni this is what has happened so what do you say about it abantu nje kuyahlala kumnandi kodwa lento impact negatively than positive that is why abanikazi bayo ngisho ngizwe bayazi abantu bala eMzansi uyayidlalela nje ngabo abantu ongakhuluma nanoma yini uyishintshe nanoma usiyashintsha you can't match for him usiyashintsha use against into usuyibuza ukuthi uqale nini ukuzwa ucabanga kanje i-turn around yakhe ibe nini uvela ubone ukuthi sebeyabaza abantu bala eMzansi ukuthi ungakhuluma lokho mawusushintsha futhi akekho ozobuza ukuthi hawo usushintsha kanjani noma sengazi ukuthi umuntu omusha ovela nje oqhamuke sekhuluma leyo reality le asuke sezana so nje bantu bakithi yekelani imsangano sazoqhubeka sibone usizo lwabantu abamnyama ngenxa yemsangano yabantu belandela abantu benza izinto ezwrong kule country le each and everything imethe suke sinawo la eMzansi inkinga kunendlela kakhulukazi may involve the masses noma i-country to at large kunendlela ekumele ibe strategic ukuyisolve izinto not ukuvele nje wenza isinoma isikanjani ngoba kuzokwenzeka umonakalo lo monakalo futhi ongeke ukwazi ukucontrola noma ukuba accountable mawuswenzekile njengalento eMashini uthini nje sekulahleka imisebenzi ewu340,000 more because khona abangakho ugovernment for sure ngokwama system la eMzansi vela ngeke akwazi ukuthola ama states wabo laba basebenze eindaweni engekho ukuthi khona la ka register khona iboard aka register kuyona noma idepartment aka register kuyona for sure lo muntu ngeke uzukwazi ukumtrace kodwa baningi abantu abalahlekelwe imisebenzi kunalento enini ipropaganda ni spreader la ku social media net bakhona abaningi abayitholile neqamba manga no phakela umthakathi ababeli bengakha amathuba omsebenzi aba 1 million before the end of this year umuntu edlala ngabantu eqamba manga izinto nje ezwrong ezenzeka la eMzansi abantu benza idamage abangeke be account endawo
ubhodi lona sanibona ubhodi lona ulokho ecommentile ethi ama South Africans awanawo ama qualification uyaqhubeka nalenkulumo ekhulunywa home minister homongameli nabo bonke nabangani babo le trope yokuthi South Africans are not qualified to take up some of these positions yet le commission ehleli lapha ngale ya university eqashe amaZimbabweans aqashana odwa kusithola nanokuthi khona abantu abano matric yet they are working as lecturers at university and siya discover khona lapho ukuthi how much is a salary ye lecturer ubano 800 something thousand imagine ama lives ama South Africans ayinga enricheka imagine imindeni yase South Africa yayinga enricheka ngaleyo salary nje yalowo ntombazane noma umfana oyedwa yet plenty of them are employed there bese abantu abangizwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu laba angibanaki ngoba laba ngiyabazi ukuthi abangaphandle they are here to look out for interest yabantu bakubo uya understand ukuthi lo muntu oqashayo HR wakule university lo qashayo uqasha ngisho umuntu ono matric egameni ukuthi nje uzongena umuntu wakithi uzofunda phakathi sizomphesha futhi sizomkhave understand baqashana ngisho beno matric kodwa thina we have South Africans who believe ukuthi South Africans are unskilled to take up these positions. I think akekho umuntu emhlabeni osangizwisa ubuhlungu kwamanje. I think ngihleli kule weekend akuvumi ngisho ngene ku social media. I hate the fact that kukhona abantu okuthema kuqala imovement yokuthi kukhucululwe all these institutions kwanabantu abakhuluma irhetoric yokuthi South Africans are xenophobic. Kwabantu abafana nami ngokwebala, abafana nami women and men who truly believe ukuthi South Africans are incompetent yet amaZimbabwe afakana ngo matric. Nithini ke kule amaZimbabwe afakana no matric? I don't see any of you commenting. Anginiboni nikhuluma. noma umuntu oyiforeign uqualify ngisho no matric. It doesn't matter. That's how much you don't believe in your own kind. That's how much you don't believe in your fellow South Africans. Nayi nale nonsense ke yale comment le. Ethi abantu base South Africa banawo NQF level 8. Lapho uNkulunkulu majority of graduates have NQF level 8 like South Africa. We understand leyo nto. But this is what happens when you stay in my echo chambers that perpetuate and insist ukuthi ama South Africans anga empowerisha. This is what happens when you stay in echo chambers that perpetuate hatred towards South Africans. Uyabona laba bake bakhuluma ngo-native phobia, I honestly truly believe. And the reason there is not a formal word in the dictionary that speaks about the hatred of natives of any land is because vele abantu ababhala the dictionaries, they themselves are invaders. Ngeke invader define as an invader, an invasive species. He has the nerve lo bastard lo. Uzokhuluma ukuthi ama South Africans they don't have NQF level 8. Well, majority have even more higher qualification. Was the doctor who is working as a primary school teacher not enough? Of an example, are millions and millions of South Africans that are constantly commenting under my videos with their qualifications, with their level 9 and level 10 qualifications. Are they not enough? Onke lama graduates actually lama jaza abovu that can even barely be funded for their research. All these graduates were to leave their studies halfway, go level 9 for their masters, for their research, who don't have funding. Is that not enough evidence? Mina ngithi sizwe sakithi uyabona la siyibambe khona ngicela siyibambe udu singabe sahlehla. And laba abafana nathi ngokwebala, laba abafana nathi ngisho nangokolimo, laba bala ikhaya abakholela ukuthi this is all motivated by hatred while we are being systematically excluded from earning. We understand ukuthi njengoba kule ya university nje millions per year ayahamba aya ezim, millions per year ayahamba aya eCongo in all these institutions of higher learning. Do you know how many South African lives would have been changed by that? Thina guys in South Africans siyondle emakhaya, abantu abasuke besebenza basebenzele emakhaya. What do you mean ukuthi it's okay for us not to work and it's okay for foreigners with matric to come and occupy a post holela 800,000? I hate you, all of you. Nina nikholela ukuthi South Africans for standing up for themselves as xenophobic. Ngiyanenyanya mina nihlale nazi nje ukuthi niyangenyanya, ngisho nihlangana nami emgwaqweni nenze ngathi aningiboni. Ngoba nami ngizokwenza ngathi anginiboni. I don't like you, and I think iyona into ephula inhliziyo yami ukuthi there are some South Africans who are deliberately gaslighting us as other South Africans ukuthi this doesn't make sense. In a growing economy there are no jobs. In a growing economy people are more than skilled, yet they don't get employed.